Yo gamers, what's poppin'? It's Dragonfire Gaming here, back with another video. Today, this is my last vlog on this channel. I'm going to be vlogging on Dragonfire Vlogs from now on. This is going to be my gaming channel. And so for the last vlog on this channel, we're going to be making people honk. If they don't honk, then they're freaking Kerens. And there's Kerens. Okay, stop. Alright, so let's, this is gonna be like a 2.5 minute video. Let's make people honk. Let's go! Content. Oh yeah! Brad! Come on, we're just little kids, mother trucker. Let's go!
Come on, Jake. Please honk. Please honk.
Let's go! Yeah! Yeah!
He heard us from the window.
Please honk for content! Karen.
Look behind you.
Brad.
Here, you get them out.
Alright guys, that's a great way to end the video. Thank you all so much for watching. Kate says goodbye. I'll see y'all in the next video.